Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is variables. This is the second topic in Python basics. Let's begin. Variable is a named label whose values can be used and processed during program run. For example, here name and age are the variables stored during program run. A variable is created when a value is assigned to it. Variables will always be on the left side of equal to sign and value or expression always on the right side. The variable name holds the value of string type. The variable age holds the value of integer type. Dynamic typing is an important feature in Python. Let's see how it is different from other programming language. In other programming language, we must have to declare a variable first and then assign a value. Here in this example, the first line indicates that num is a variable of type integer. In the second line, an integer value is assigned to the variable. This variable will always accept integer value only. If we assign different data type values, then it will throw an error. For example, the last line num is equal to hello will throw an error because the string type value cannot be assigned to an integer type variable. In Python, a variable is created the moment a variable is assigned a value, and the variable type is dynamically assigned based on the type of value. This is called dynamic typing. For example, x is equal to 20. We can say that x is a variable of integer type. We can reassign a value of different type. Let's say x is equal to hello. Now the variable type is string. It will not throw an error. Instead, the type of variable is dynamically changed. Let's write this command in shell. Let me create a variable of type integer. To know about the type of the variable, we can use this command type of x. Now you can see that x is a variable of type integer. Let me reassign a different value. Let's say x is equal to 2.5. Now the type of x is equal to float. X is equal to hello. Now the type of x is equal to string. Multiple assignment. A single value can be assigned to multiple variables. For example, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 10. So the result will be a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 10. A is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 10. Now the value of a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 10. Multiple values can be assigned to multiple variables. For example, a, b, c is equal to 10, 20, 30. So the result will be a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 and c is equal to 30. A, b, c is equal to 10, 20, 30. Now the value of a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 and c is equal to 30. Swapping values between two variables, for example, assign a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20 using command a, b is equal to 10, 20 and swap the value using a, b is equal to b, a. So the result will be a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. A, b is equal to 10, 20. Now the value of a is 10 and b is 20. Now let's swap the value of a and b. b, a is equal to A comma B. Now the value of B is 10 and A is 20. Let's try some more examples. A comma B comma C is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6. Now the value of A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 6. Now let's swap the value. B comma C comma A is equal to A plus 1, B plus 3, C plus 1. Now the value of A is changed to 7, value of B is 3 and value of C is 7. So what will be the value of x comma x is equal to 10 comma 20? The final value of x is equal to 20. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.